So just hold the coat over. Hold my coat over me. Okay, go.
When you back, I'll get back. Will that go now?
It's just because of the rain. Oh, the top is
Anyway, that's the big thing. Oh, you let me come. Let me come back. Guys, literally touch my ground. When it's cut down. What crashed the window?
Wow, this is really cool. Oh, my coat is over my tablet.
I'm supposed to eat.
That was what he made for with the picture underneath it. The table.